welcome back. This is Karen. In today's video, let's continue the topic of real or fake crystals. In last video, we talked about rhodochrosite and I left you a question, which one is a better quality rhodochrosite? The answer is B. I actually gave you some clues in that video, like more pink with clarity, less white, no black lines or black spots is top quality to high quality. Okay, now let's talk about rhodonite and strawberry quartz in this video. Rhodonite is a pink healing stone which is easily mislabeled as rhodochrosite in foreign countries and even in China. Rhodonite is also in pink, but mostly are in pink and black, sometimes in white and yellow. It's a very common stone mined in America, Australia, Russia, and Brazil. When you differentiate rhodochrosite and rhodonite, the important characteristic is the pattern. Rhodochrosite has a complicated formation of layers in pink and white, sometimes in black, orbs-like. But rhodonite does not have any layers or orbs formation. So it's basically a pink stone and usually with black veins and sometimes with yellow or white. I would like to show you this so-called high-grade rhodonite strand from the same seller, but too bad even the testing center could not identify what it is. To me, it's definitely not glass or plastic because it's heavy. And you can find something like orbs in every bead. Let's compare with a natural rhodonite. High quality rhodonite like this beautiful rose red color is from America, which is rare. And these are natural color. Here's the cert. 長眉輝石手鏈 rhodonite bracelet. And color is red. But there's a red color from Brazil, which is rare and with a little clarity. Also, there's another type of rhodonite. It's an inclusion rhodonite in golden and red. Strawberry quartz, a very cheerful and fruity colors gemstone. It's one of the rare gemstones in which it is the crystal inclusion. Hematite, goethite, or labradorite flakes in a clear quartz crystal gives this color a unique red color. So the main spot of real strawberry quartz is the red flakes of hematite within the stone. Without this, it would be just like a clear quartz. Natural inclusions in strawberry quartz will be irregular in shapes and dimensions, and they will be unevenly spaced. Now let's take a look at the imitation products. Seller didn't claim these are natural strawberry quartz, but to me, these are nothing like real strawberry quartz. Not the same texture and color, and they do not have any inclusions. Like they don't have soles. I'll show you the testing results of this two strand. They are the same. same of what, I'll let you know. Okay, it's showing they are quartzite with bleach and then color dyed treatment, quartzite B strands. And the remark indicates the structure of the stone is damaged and the dyed color is like a net distributed outward. Again and again, most imitation and fake crystals are made with quartzite, so be aware of that. Strawberry quartz in the market are mostly mined in Mozambique, like the one I'm holding, and Madagascar is a raw stone, and this one is from Russia. The mine in Russia is quite rare now. So a better quality strawberry quartz will be transparent enough to see the inclusion inside the stone and with a nice red color. So a question for you. Which one is a higher quality? Another rare formation of strawberry quartz is with golden sunstone inclusion. Every bead has the sparkling effect, which makes the strawberry quartz a lot beautiful because it contains the sparkling minerals grow together like the golden sunstone, and it usually appears to be a reddish pink. Now I would like to show you the most expensive and rarest strawberry quartz in the strawberry quartz family. It's from Russia. It has a soft red coloring and it looks different from regular strawberry quartz. A bracelet like this can cost you $1,000 and you can't find it everywhere in the market, even from the crystal factories. I've only known 2 factory owners have this strawberry quartz and they do not have much stock. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will be making a video about how to identify black onyx, black obsidian and black tourmaline. So just stay with my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.